The National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a flash flood warning for
nice little chat. Anything else? Now, where were we?
Gas in the evenings.
Oh, yes.
We'll need some saline, some 409 line, and a suture setup.
The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a tornado warning effective until 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for people in the following location. In south central Texas, this includes Williamson County. At 3:25 p.m., a tornadic thunderstorm is located about 5 miles west of Gerald, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. This storm has had a history of producing tornadoes and large hail. The city of Gerald is in the path of this storm. If you are caught outside, seek shelter in a nearby reinforced building. As a last resort, seek shelter in a ditch or low spot and cover your head. People in or near the path of this storm should take immediate action to protect their lives. Go to the center of the lowest floor of your building and cover your head. Stay away from doors and windows. Do not stay in mobile homes. Get into a sturdy building.
Here's one entry.
I got the other one. What happened?
Some gang thing.
He's a banger. Look at the tats.
Flat